Good morning. Yes, good morning, good morning. Good morning? 3 times? Out on a walk early in the morning. It's just before 6 a.m. This is my first hike / walk since, I don't know, the last 4 months. Just because I've been busy or my foot's been bothering me. And then before that, which you may have seen, it was when I was out at the lake with Katie, camping. And before that, it was like 6 months almost. No, probably another 4 months that I had, before I had been out on like a walk or a hike. So yeah, but at least I'm getting out now. Went to the doctor's for my yearly checkup, and didn't go so well with my liver numbers. So definitely need to get out and about more. I don't know what that is. Probably just a spot on a log. So yeah, today's hike's just going to be a relatively short one, I think. But yeah, I just gotta start getting active again. I've just pretty much been just super busy or hurt with my foot to really go out, and just gained a lot of weight back from the setbacks. So my numbers are all jacked up, so I gotta get back out here and start working out. And today's carry, the White River knife / Exodus knife and tool, or actually probably the other way around, Adventure Craft. These are great little blades. Yeah, I guess I don't really need a knife while going on most of these walks. I still like to have one, just for whatever purposes. Off the pavement to the dirt trail. But yeah, my numbers were just so messed up with my liver. I was like, man, I gotta get back out there. I just had to just get back out there. If we get these numbers right, you can see, puffed up a little bit. Yeah, just a combination of being lazy, working more, and yeah, so not changing my diet because I couldn't work out. Couldn't make me puff up. So getting back out there, and today's a start. But you probably wouldn't have been able to tell much from the videos, because as I said before, I always try to keep a backlog of videos. So the videos should have no, I guess, gap in time. Just everything keeps going. Just in regular posting order. So y'all probably wouldn't notice. Spiderweb first. Must be the first one through here in the morning. I don't remember that being there. I am on the trail that I've been on before. I noticed this time I'm not taking not stopping taking as many pictures as I usually do. In the haircut too. Maybe it's just because I've taken pictures on here a bunch before. That's the reason not why I haven't been. I don't know. Man, you might be able to hear the noise in the background of planes and traffic. That's because I'm back at the I like the urban wilderness type area. I don't know if I accidentally kicked a stick or a little rock or something ran in there. Don't know. Don't know. Yeah, this is gonna be a short, like 1 mile-ish walk today, just to help get back into the groove. Try to be hopefully doing these walks, hikes again with gear early Saturday mornings, and then a couple miles before work in the neighborhoods during the week. Hopefully that's the plan. Just don't like getting up early. Just not a fan of getting up early. But then if I wait till the end of the day to try to do something, it's hot, the air quality's down. I'm just tired because I've been working all day. But the mornings I'm tired, so I want to sleep more. Probably just all has to do with me being pleasantly plump. It's a little muddy too. I've slipped out here once before. What kind of bird is that? What do they call? Oh wait, oh there he is. Ah, he moved. He's a cardinal. See if we can find him. It might be kind of hard to find him on the phone. Okay, so I just walked through a massive web and I heard something crashing through here. Could it be another person? Or is it a deer? I've seen a deer out here one time. Not in this area, but another area of the of this urban park. I see it. Never seen that before. Ecological restoration. So yeah, I'm kind of bummed though that it's supposed to be in Atlanta this weekend with a bunch of my friends, and I couldn't go because I kind of forgot about it and mistimed everything, so I couldn't get in to be off work. So seeing all the posts and pictures and videos and stuff is just huge FOMO. So that's kind of a bummer, but I miss them, and hopefully next year. Then yeah, So let's get back into shape, not only for my personal health, but for my family, for my my health and weight can also be a giant hindrance on some adventures I've been wanting to do. So gotta turn this around. Turn this around. Yeah. All right, almost at the end of the trail. So thank you all for joining me. Any prayers, well wishes, good vibes, all that would be appreciated. Don't forget the usual, like and subscribe, comment stuff, and remember, get outside and enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.